How's it going, everybody? This is Jeremy Pearson. I am at Van Dam Custom Boats in beautiful Boyne City, Michigan. It's also very cold right now. It was -1 when we woke up this morning, and it's very chilly out. Inside though, we're working away. We're making a ton of progress, and I keep saying it like next week is going to look totally different than the week before, and next week it is going to look totally different than the week before, because this deck and this pilot house and everything is going to get bonded onto this hull next week, and a lot going on. You can see here we've got pieces for the swim platform coming up. We got David Kelso's working on the sole. There's also sole in DB, so Dreamboat's got sole, which is cool. Making a ton of progress. Guys are priming the interior. You got Chuck up there in the anchor locker. There's a ton of stuff going on. We've got El Devo working on more parts of the sole over there. We've got hatches in. We've got raw material in for Jess to start making the port lights. Let's head over to the metal shop and take a look at what Jess has going on. So these guys, I've said it before, I say it all the time. The guys in our metal shop, they're so talented, they're so creative, they're so good at what they do. They take these pieces of stainless, right? Solid billet, Nick, correct?
Yeah.
How much does this thing weigh?
I don't know offhand.
Let's say 200 pounds. This thing weighs 200 pounds.
Sure.
I'm lifting it up. They mill it down to this. It's gonna look like these are gonna be the beautiful port lights on Dreamboat when they're finished. They take this solid piece of brass, this raw material, right, and they turn it into the latches, the dog ears and everything for the port lights. This is one is going to get bonded to the transom. Swim platform is gonna sit on top of it, so this is all our guys in the metal shop. They put this together, they cut everything, they welded, they polished. That's kind of the story of Dreamboat. It's coming along next week. Like I said, it's gonna be awesome. We're taking the pilot house, bonding it to the hull, and that whole room, the whole boat, everything's gonna look so much different next week. So please, check it out next week. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.